But first, after a busy day of testimony, court is adjourned for the weekend in the case of the Oxford High School shooter's father. Thank you for joining us for 7 Action News at 5. I'm Brian Abel.
And I'm Glenda Lewis, the father facing 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter for the deaths of Tate Meir, Madison Baldwin, Hannah St. Juliana, and Justin Schilling. Today in court, attorneys showing text messages sent by the shooter, showing surveillance video from inside the school, and played video of police interviews with both the shooter's mother and father.
7 investigator Ross Jones was watching the trial closely today. And Ross, a lot of the evidence to unpack today. So what stood out to you?
Brian, Glenda, James Crumbley showed as much emotion as we have seen over the past 2+ years of court appearances, struggling to even watch the aftermath of his son's actions.
Is that Tate lying on the ground?
That's Tate on the ground, yes.
The father of the Oxford High School shooter watched in horror today as surveillance video showed his son moments after he gunned down his classmates.
Who do we see?
Ethan's walking up to us.
The moment happened during the testimony of Christy Gibson Marshall, an assistant principal at Oxford High, who came face-to-face with Ethan Crumbley, gun in hand, the day of the shooting. She said Ethan looked away and kept walking. Moments later, she would encounter one of his victims.
At that point, could you identify who the student was?
At that point, I rolled him over and I realized that it was Tate Meir.
Earlier, we saw video of the Crumbley parents' interrogation just hours after the shooting. Ethan's parents were asked if their son had any problems recently. James tells his wife to show the detectives something on her phone.
He was doodling on a test for a practice test.
Do you think we should probably have a lawyer?
That's up to you.
I think we probably should have a lawyer.
I think we can speak.
I know.
To the cops.
James Crumbley wanted to keep talking, and he did. At one point, he was asked about the gun Ethan used.
Where was the gun at? It was hidden in our car, in the case. And the bullets were hidden in a completely different spot.
During the cross-examination of an Oakland County Sheriff's detective, James Crumbley's attorney said that her client was audibly crying, sometimes sobbing, when he saw Ethan that day.
James repeatedly tells his son that he loves him.
Yes, he does.
And he says it over and over. I think I counted 4 or 5 times.
Yes.
Why? I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
But the prosecution said that exchange served a more sinister purpose, trying to muffle Ethan's confession in the hopes that detectives wouldn't hear it.
In that portion of the video where he said, I love you, I love you, I love you, what was his son doing at that time?
Trying to talk to his mom.
Okay, and his son was actually saying, I did it at that point.
He did.
Text messages introduced earlier in the day showed Ethan telling a friend that he'd asked his father to go to the doctor, but that James Crumbley replied, quote, "Suck it up." In another text to a friend, Ethan said he was mentally and physically dying. Testimony wrapped up early today, but it will pick up on Monday. Our coverage will continue then. We're in the newsroom. Ross Jones, 7 Action News.
All right, Ross, thank you.